Kanye West's debut fashion show in 2012 was mocked by critics. Back then, oversized jackets, leather pants, and fur coats had designers scratching their heads. I'm Seth, and there's room for discussion. In 2012, Kanye West debuted his first runway show ever, calling it DW, Donda West. Those pearl heels that Giuseppe Zanotti designed are going for over $6,000 on the resale market. For me, this collection wasn't about shock value. It was about pushing boundaries. Even though it was bold for 2012, it's undeniable that he was setting trends that would influence the industry for years to come. Do you think this collection was a forgotten masterpiece, or maybe just a fashion misfire? Deuces.